Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix to change store. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscription problem. So if you are facing this problem, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it. So now without further ado, let's get started by opening the settings app on your iPhone. And from there, you can simply tap on your Apple ID at top. Now you can simply scroll down and tap on subscription. And now, in this section, you can try to cancel any active subscription, especially Apple Music. And if you are unable to cancel it, don't worry. There is another way to resolve this. Now, next, go back to your settings and tap on your Apple ID and sign out of your account. And after that, you can simply sign in with a different Apple ID and check if the country change option is available. And if you are still facing the same issue, you can simply open any web browser on your device and simply search for Apple support. And after searching for it, click on the first link and select your device. Now from there, you can simply scroll down, and if you can't cancel the Apple Music subscription yourself, it may mean you need to wait 3 months before switching countries. However, you can still contact Apple support for help. To do that, simply tap on Start Now and go to Subscription and Purchase. And from there, select View, Change or Cancel Subscription. And wait for a few seconds and then simply tap Continue. And from there, you can scroll down and look for the call option or chat option. And if the chat option is available, you can use that to speak with the Apple representative and explain that you need to cancel your subscription to change your country, and they might be able to assist you. And after following these steps, your issue should be resolved. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.